Hi, today I've heard of me ZTE Blade A71 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open Settings app and then we should tap to Network and Internet. Just then click to Wi-Fi, tap to the switcher to activate it on your device, and after that you'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter our password. If you want to see this password to have some mistakes, just click to this checkbox. I'll enter it out of screen. And after that, we should tap to connect. So now just wait a second and we can see that we're just successfully connected to this network. Well, if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi by the same way, click here on this switcher and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just open notification panel shortcuts and then you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. So click on this icon to activate the Wi-Fi, and to turn it, then just tap to done, and to turn it off by the same way you should click to this Wi-Fi icon. After that, if you wanna launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon and then by the same way just select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.